Case within the time frame, stipulated time frame.
The state police has urged the citizens of Shillong not to take law into their hands. Speaking to media persons, East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi said that the police is inquiring into the recent murder of labourers at Ichamati and Mauro in professional manner and public should cooperate. The Khasi Students' Union had recently warned of law and order situation if the police keep on arresting their members.
Incidents and the crimes that have taken place, we are investigating thoroughly in a completely professional manner. Now, the people involved in such heinous crimes, they need to be brought to book. I only urge all the peace-loving citizens not to take law into their own hands, abide by law, and cooperate with police in these investigations.
UDP legislator from Nongpok